Hey guys, this is a quick video. I want to show you how to load your mat. It could be very confusing, and I just want to show you how to load regular vinyl and heat vinyl. So just really quick, this is your regular vinyl, and with your regular vinyl, you want it facing up. So you want the shiny side facing up. Don't face it down, you're gonna mess up the whole sheet. Face it up with your regular vinyl. Any color, any glitter, you want the backing, the white, to go down. So this is very easy. I know it gets confusing and people confuse it all the time. So I just had to make a short video just to show you so you won't waste your vinyl. So face it up. It has two little clamps right there where you're gonna put it through before you have it ready to go into your machine. So make sure clamp 1 and clamp 2, and it is next to it before you press to put it onto your machine. Make sure it goes underneath. Press it in a little bit with your hands, and then you're ready to set your vinyl. When you're ready, the machine is going to go back and forth, and to take it off, you're going to press the first button again. So the first button to put on your mat, and the first button to unload your mat. It's always the first button. Now, with your heat and your iron-on vinyls, you are going to face it down. You want the shiny side down. So it's going to be the opposite of the other vinyl. Don't get scared. We're going to go through all these tips and tricks together, and we're going to learn. So with the heat vinyl, you're going to face it down. You want the shiny part down, and then you're going to load your mat. So it's that easy. Heat vinyl down, regular vinyl up. Then once your mat is loaded, you're ready to start your project, and then the first button to unload it again. You're going to use the last button to stop anything. If the machine grabs it wrong, if it is cutting wrong, go ahead and press the last button to cancel everything. That is your safety button. Press it whenever you don't feel safe, when you think it's cutting wrong. But yeah, you need to know the difference between the vinyls, or you're going to get them mixed up. So always write on there heat or iron on, either on the back or the front of your vinyl, just so you do not get it confused, because it is hard, but it's super easy to load. Press it in with your hands, and then load your mat, and the machine will load it by itself. So there you go. Just a simple demonstration of how to load your vinyl. And then when you're going to take it off, you are going to bend your mat and peel it off slowly. You don't want to mess up none of your vinyl. It's very expensive. So peel it off slowly. And there you go. You're ready. And until next time, bye you guys.